Cordless framing nail guns have seen massive demand in modern construction and DIY industries due to their portability, power, and freedom from air compressors and hoses. Contractors, carpenters, and homeowners prefer them for framing, roofing, and decking because they improve speed and efficiency. This guide evaluates the best options based on power performance, nail compatibility, weight balance, battery efficiency, durability, and overall value for money in demanding job site conditions.
Product number 1. Metabo HPT Framing Nailer. Pro Preferred, 21 degree, 2 to 3.5 inches. The Metabo HPT Framing Nailer is a trusted tool widely used in professional construction environments for flooring, roofing, and framing tasks. Designed with a lightweight body of around 7.5 pounds, it reduces user fatigue during extended work sessions while still delivering powerful and consistent nail driving performance. Its 21-degree magazine is compatible with clipped head nails ranging from 2 to 3.5 inches, making it suitable for heavy-duty structural applications. One of its standout features is its pneumatic-grade performance, offering smooth firing with minimal recoil. This makes it ideal for precision framing where consistent depth control matters. The tool is well-balanced, allowing users to work in tight or overhead spaces without losing control. Durability is another strong point, with a rugged build designed to withstand job site abuse. While it performs best with an air compressor setup, its reliability and long-standing reputation among professionals make it a top-tier framing choice.
Product number 2. Metabo HPT Pin Nailer, 23 gauge, 2.0 pounds lightweight tool. The Metabo HPT Pin Nailer is designed for precision work rather than heavy framing, making it ideal for cabinets, trim, molding, and craft applications. Weighing only around 2.0 pounds, it is extremely lightweight and easy to handle, allowing users to work for long periods without hand fatigue. This 23-gauge nailer produces nearly invisible holes, which is perfect for fine woodworking projects where surface finish quality matters. It provides excellent control and accuracy, ensuring clean pin placement without damaging delicate materials. Its pneumatic operation ensures consistent firing power, while its compact design allows access to tight corners and detailed areas. Although it is not designed for structural framing, it excels in finishing work where precision is more important than raw power. Overall, this tool is a favorite among woodworkers and DIY enthusiasts who prioritize clean finishing results over heavy-duty construction capability.
Product number 3. Metabo HPT Framing Nailer. Pro Preferred Power Tool, Heavy-Duty Version. This second Metabo HPT Framing Nailer variant is engineered for demanding construction tasks, such as housing builds, truss assembly, and roof decking. Like other models in the lineup, it offers strong driving power, capable of handling dense lumber with ease. Its ergonomic design helps reduce strain during long working hours, while the balanced weight distribution improves accuracy in repetitive nailing tasks. The tool is optimized for professional framing environments where speed and reliability are critical. The firing mechanism is smooth and responsive, ensuring consistent nail penetration even in tougher materials. It is also designed for durability, with a robust housing that resists wear from job site conditions. While it is not cordless in the strictest sense and typically relies on pneumatic power, its performance efficiency makes it a staple tool for contractors who prioritize consistency and long-term reliability over portability.
Product number 4. DEWALT DCN680B 20V Max XR 18-gauge cordless brad nailer. The DEWALT DCN680B is a highly popular cordless brad nailer designed for finish work, trim installation, and light woodworking applications. Powered by DEWALT's 20V Max XR battery platform, it eliminates the need for air compressors or gas cartridges, offering excellent portability and convenience. Its micro-nose design improves visibility and accuracy, allowing users to place nails precisely in tight or detailed spaces. The tool also features a brushless motor, which increases efficiency, runtime, and durability compared to traditional brushed systems. A key advantage is its consistent nail depth control, adjustable without tools, making it easy to switch between different materials. It also offers sequential and contact actuation modes for flexibility in different working styles. While it is not designed for heavy framing, it excels in finish carpentry and interior construction tasks. Overall, it's a reliable, professional-grade cordless nailer with strong brand trust.
Product number 5. Metabo HPT Framing Nailer.
construction-grade model for roofing and trusses. This Metabo HPT framing nailer model is built specifically for high-intensity applications such as roofing, truss buildup, and full-scale housing construction. It delivers powerful nail driving capability, capable of handling dense and layered lumber materials with ease. The tool is engineered for durability, featuring a rugged housing that withstands repeated job site impacts. Its ergonomic grip and balanced structure help reduce fatigue, especially during overhead nailing tasks common in roofing work. Performance-wise, it offers consistent driving depth and fast cycling speed, which is essential for professional contractors working under tight deadlines. It supports high-volume nailing without significant performance drop. Although it typically relies on pneumatic power rather than battery operation, its reliability and industrial-grade performance make it a trusted choice among construction professionals who prioritize raw power and consistency.
Choosing the best cordless nail gun for framing depends on your work type and performance needs. Metabo HPT dominates pneumatic-heavy framing tasks with reliability and power, while DEWALT leads in cordless convenience for finish work. For professional builders, balancing power, weight, and runtime is key to maximizing productivity on the job site.